Okay. Hello everyone. Once again, my name is Joseph Kafuko. Right here inside the factory of Brightway Energy factory in Xi'an. Today, I'm going to take you through and you see exactly how the work is going on, how everything is being manufactured, and I'm going to let you see everything. Because last time I was showing you how things are being manufactured right away from the scratch, and today I'm going to let you see how far we have gone, how the machines have already been manufactured, and we're going to look at also at the assembling activities that are already taking place inside the factory. So before that, let me first take you through the company introduction right away here inside the factory. So as you know, this factory or this company was opened up in 2012, that's October, and it's a source control manufacturing company. Our equipments are majorly employed in three sectors, and that is the oil and gas sector. Is also employed under the horizontal direction drilling, and also is also employed under the sector of environmental protection management sector. So all that's where our equipments are majorly employed across. So going further, I want to also take you through and see our market and global outreach. As Brightway Energy Company, we are global, and part of our offices globally, you can find our offices in USA. We have a subsidiary branch there. We have a subsidiary in India. We have a subsidiary in Nigeria, and also we have another one in Russia. All that makes you understand that Brightway Energy Group, we are global, and we are covering almost all the continents across the globe. So going away from that, let me also take you through our qualification and honors. As a Brightway company, we have achieved a lot of honors and qualification, and one of them, or part of them, is this certificate of Source Control Equipment Technology Center. We have it here as our major honors. We also have major honors of National High-Tech Enterprise. It's part of us, and also we have the expert, skilled, unique, innovative enterprise, plus the AAA level point enterprise. So those are part of the several honors and certificates that make us to stand out in the global market. Also, I want to take you through and see the technical patents. As Brightway Energy, we have over 100 patents that we have achieved. We have over 100 intellectual property patents, meaning that we do our work is innovated by us, and everything we do is not copied everywhere. It's innovated and originated by us. We have very much high quality products, as I'm gonna take you through and you see. Also, I want to also take you through and see our corporate culture. One thing you have to understand about our corporate mission is pioneer of advanced manufacturing technology, and also we have our corporate purpose, which is good attitude, active action, and bright future. Also, our business philosophy states that create value for customers, create benefits for shareholders, create prospects for employees, and create employment opportunities for the society. So that's how our business philosophy states. And also our corporate value states that we have pragmatism, innovation, and transcendency. Also, I want to also talk about our security outlook, which we believe that life is precious, safety is always supreme. Okay, moving ahead, I want to also show you our teams, and of course, this is part of the very many employees we have at Brightway. Some of them, they are not here, but it's quite a big number of corporate team that we have, professional corporate team that are always carrying out the work of this company to stand out globally. Also, one important thing I also want to talk about is our dear important customers, of course, the people we cooperate with, we have partnered with, we have supplied our equipment. I will not say all of them, but I will point out that I can at this moment. We have Sinop on board. We partner with Sinop so well. Sinopec. We have Rook Oil. We have Aramco, ADNOC. All of them, we partner with all these major brands. It means that when major brands are partnering with us, it means we are trusted globally, and anyone else can deal with us, can partner with us, and be confident about the quality of the work we deliver. And away from that, of course, let's look at this exclusive interview that our chairman, Mr. Rio, had with national TV here in China. And of course, it's the famous CCTV exclusive interview, which was all about the globalization path of the high-end equipment manufacturing. In this interview is where the 1,000 or the 15,000 meter drilling rig mud system and reshaping was talked about, and it was thought that this was a world-changing technology where it's reshaping new heights of ultra-deep drilling. It's the first created deep underground high-temperature purification system, and also one of the things you need to note about this is the first created melt-filled melt substance collection system, and also the first created full solution, full system, fully made here in China. And also, all this was talked about in the exclusive chat with the CCTV's Dong Chan and Brightway chairman, Mr. Li Yang. Okay. Moving away from this, of course, I think it's time to take you through, guys, and see what we are doing and get to know about the equipment, because last time I was showing you the manufacturing part of it, and today I'm really going to show you the assembling part of some of the equipments that are majorly manufactured here in China. So, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce to you this out-of-class machine, and it's technically called Decanter Centrifuge. This machine, as you see, it's the machine that is usually used in the last stages of mud cleaning processes. This is a high-performing decanter centrifuge, as you can see, manufactured, assembled, and everything is done from scratch right here at Brightway. It's composed of high technology that makes it to be a high quality performing machine, as I'm soon going to explain to you part by part so that you can understand. You can see right here, this is an explosive proof motor that is with the capacity of 37 kilowatts. You can imagine 37 kilowatts motor on this centrifuge part, this machine. It makes this machine to be performing at a very high speed with a lot of quality. This machine is used in the last defense electronics control system, as it helps to filter out fine, ultra-fine solids that comes within the drilling mud that have not been removed in the filters and and the senders. So this machine, it helps to clean fiber, to remove off those ultrafine particles that escape and can be removed by this machine. It removes these particles, the particles that are as fine as 2 to 5 microns. You can imagine that. Between 5, this is the science technology, I can tell you. So it comes equipped with this explosion-proof control panel. As you can see, it is an explosion-proof control panel. It's well equipped on this machine right here. And also, it comes with another AUX motor. This one, it's 11 kilowatts, very powerful. It helps this machine here, this horizontal barrel, that where the mud is pumped and it spins at a very high speed, which is around 2,000 rounds, something like that, even beyond. So it rotates at a very high speed, and that kind of efficiency helps out to remove those ultrafine particles, and that's what makes it to stand out, because of the high performance technology of it. Of course, this is the stainless steel barrel that harbors the screw conveyor inside there that rotates at a very high speed in the process of filtering out, separating the salts from the drilling mud. So this one here, it's stainless steel. It's made out of stainless steel material. You can imagine. So it makes it to be a very, very, very good quality machine. And also, this machine, as you can see here, it's still under assembly. A lot of pieces are being put together so that we can come up with a fully functioning machine. Also, we have this one, the gauging, the gauge. This one also is part of it. It helps the operator to understand and know the kind of pressure that's being exerted here. So it's really, really important under this machine. As you can see, everything is still under assembly, and our engineers are still working up. Right there, you're going to see that everything is still under assembly. But this is part of the work, part of the outgoing work here, and it's a busy place. So as you can see, there are a lot of men here. We have over 24 machines under assembly. That's how busy we are here. That's how busy we are. Over 24 Decanter Centrifuge. They're under assembly right now, and very soon they will be ready for shaping. You can see from there, here, there, and you see here our professional technician and engineer is trying to assemble these machines, and it's really, really beautiful to see right here. And these machines you see here, they are all the same capacity. Yeah, they're all the same capacity. Initially, the other one, one thing I forgot to tell you, this one here is, it doesn't have this rod. This one here is now, this one has been fixed. It's been not there on the first, so you can see how everything is done from here. So this one's different from the other one, that the other one is still not, this one's not fixed there, but it's now fixed. Now, this one here, it has this covering, this cover that is covering the rotating machine. So this one's already covered. The only thing missing is just a few works of finishing down there, and it will be ready for shaping. And it's really beautiful and a joy to watch what's going on here. So as you can see, one thing I want to remind you and tell you that at Brightway we do work and we can customize everything according to your project. So everything can be manufactured and can be made and customized according to how you want it and according to your project requirements. So whatever capacity, whatever requirement you have, we are here to serve you, and you'll be served ultimately with a lot of satisfaction. Okay, let's move on and see. Look here, all our engineers and qualified technicians, they are working on this beautiful masterpiece, and very soon it will be done, and it will be ready for shipping and be discharged from this factory to its next destination. So it's a lot of hard work and professional work going on here, and everything is being made sure it's done in a right way with a lot of care, a lot of perfection is what's here. So here is another Decanter centrifuge under assembly, because here it's like the assembling part of it. We're done with the cutting, the manufacturing, the welding, the painting. So right here is just adding in a few components together, and we come up with a final functioning machine. Very soon I'll be taking you and you see the testing part of it. But before that, let's move on and see more machines that are being worked on. How is Decanter centrifuges? I told you guys, this is the manufacturing plant. It's the best, and that's why we are ranked to be the leading factory in the world. When it comes to solid control equipment, we are second to none. So this is what we do. This is what we mean. All these Decanter centrifuges, they are under assembly, and within a day all this will be finished and will be ready for shipping. And I think they're all of the same capacity. As you see, there are very many. These are like they are still under being assembled, as you can see. Okay, now we have got a chance to see what happens inside. Now this is a Decanter centrifuge. It's under assembly, but before I was showing you just what's on the surface. Now we get a chance and see what's inside. So this is like the stainless steel barrel that harbors this component that also accommodates the screw conveyor, where the mud is pumped, the drilling mud is pumped, and it's cleaned by and separated by the screw conveyor inside, because it rotates at a very high speed because of the high technology that is made of. It helps it to make those fine, ultra fine particles to be removed from the drilling mud. So this is how it looks inside. It's just high technology. All this, as you can see, is stainless steel. Stainless steel is what we've made of these components. Still under assembly, and of course you can see this. This is part of the explosion-proof electrical control panels that are ready to be put on these machines. So you can see this is an explosion-proof electrical control panel that is ready to be also added here to make a complete machine. The same happens here. All these electrical control machine panels, and they are ready to be put here, on the Decanter centrifuge to make sure that we come up with a complete set of machines. So the work is still ongoing on. It's a very, very busy time here in the factory. As you see, it's a lot more happening here. A lot of guys are going on with their work. As I see the other side, they are trying to assemble a cutting dryer, vertical cutting dryer, and also the other side, a lot of work is going on. Also, you can see this side. This one is still also being worked upon. You can say very soon they'll be applying these proof electrical panels and other components. And of course, here are the motors waiting. They're also these AUX motors that are waiting also to be applied on these other several Decanter centrifuges, so that we have a free functioning machine. Of course, moving on, this one also is still open. We can get a chance and see, and you can see everything is being done perfectly with a lot of care, professionally, and you can see it's a high quality work going on. This is high quality material that is being made of stainless steel. Stainless steel material is what made of this vertical, horizontal barrels on this Decanter centrifuge. Of course, a lot of work. As I said, there are very, very many, over 24. They are in the make, and I believe very soon we shall be complete. I think in 1 day or 3 or 2 days, everything will be done and complete. Look here, it's just a base. Like this one is still being manufactured here. This is just this is like creating it from scratch. Imagine from here to here. So this is, we come from here and here we are, meaning we do everything by ourselves. Everything is done by us. Everything is done from the scratch. So just imagine, this is good material. Everything is done for perfection, for long lasting, for all conditions. Our machines are tailored to work in every kind of condition, whether high temperatures or extreme cold, low temperatures, everywhere, any kind of weather, any kind of climate, our machines are perfected to work there in at a very high quality. So moving on, we can see another one here is being these are like the pumps here. We also have them here, and we very soon they will be upright their respective whatever, they will be upright their respective machines where they are supposed to be. Here, this one is being assembled. I think this one is one of the mud processing equipment that is being manufactured for Brightway. So you can see here, this one, it's if I can look closely, it's a shuttle shaker performing testing platform. Okay, so here, this one is this one has a speed between 1 to 5,000, and also its voltage is between is a 200 voltage, and also has 50 Hz. So and its effective volume is around 30 to 450 cubic meters per hour. So it's a really beautiful masterpiece that's being assembled here. And up there you can see a Decanter centrifuge, which is ready to be tested. Okay, okay, so as you can see here, it's a okay, so ladies and gentlemen, that has been our tour of the day inside this factory. And today we have basically looked at the Decanter centrifuge assembly in this factory. You have seen the work, you have seen everything, you have seen our professional technicians doing it. And we promised you that we shall be bringing you more of this work on your screen, on your phone, so that you see exactly how we do things here at Brightway Energy Factory. So, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to sign out right now. See you next time. Bye-bye.